What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna do the trunk spoiler for my Corolla. Let's do it. Okay guys, this is the box, so let's open it. Let's see what's inside. Okay, I got the spoiler from eBay. So this is the top part, and these are the sides, and this one goes on the center, but I'm not gonna put this one. So only this one and the sides. So let's open it. Okay, as you can see here, this is they call it Mugen wing. It's similar to like the Subaru wing. This one, it has two for the sides and this one. So also this one is $90 on eBay. I bought it for $90, but if you want the carbon fiber, the Mapisa group, they have this on carbon fiber. But as you know, carbon is a little bit more expensive. But I'm gonna put the link for Mapisa group Facebook, and this one I'm gonna put the link for this one too on for the eBay. Okay, so you can have the option to get this one or the Mapisa. Okay. Okay guys, there's a little problem that I found. Okay, this one has like I don't know if you can see it, a lug nut. They put a lug nut inside the plastic, but behind the plastic there is behind this thing, the lug nut, there is plastic, so the screw doesn't want to go all the way in. So I think I have to use the drill to put it inside, but I hope I don't break it. So that's the only issue I found right now. So let me see if I can put the screws all the way inside, because right now this thing is loose. So let me see. Let me try with the drill. Okay guys, it worked with the drill. So when you're putting these screws, you will have to use a drill. Without a drill, it's gonna be super hard to put them inside. Okay, let me do the other one. Okay guys, that's how it looks without the stock spoiler. You can see it. You can see it there. But I think I'm gonna leave the other one. But I think I have to cut it. That's the only thing. I don't know if I wanna do it, because it's on the way on the spoiler. So if I want to put the wing all the way here, I have to cut the spoiler, the stock spoiler. So I'm not sure. Yeah. Alright, I think I'm gonna cut it anyways. Okay, let's do it. So that's how much I have to cut of the spoiler. Alright, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, now that I already cut the spoiler, I'm gonna see where I'm gonna put the other one. Oh, fits perfectly. Now it's all the way back. Let me show you. So now I didn't want to make the holes, but yeah, I'm gonna make the hole because I don't want this thing to fly when I am on the freeways. Okay, so the spoiler comes with this foam thing. So I'm gonna use this as a template for guide to make the holes, but I'm only gonna make 2 holes. This one and this one. It has 3. But I'm gonna only wanna make this and this. I think it goes like this and this, the one that goes on the edges. Okay, let's do it. Okay, now I got the marks, you can see it there. So I'm gonna open the trunk. Okay, I don't need to leave this here. So I'm gonna open the trunk because I don't wanna make the hole all the way on this piece on the rear panel, only on the trunk. This one, I have a mark there and there. 1, 2. So let's drill the holes. Okay, I'm gonna drill the holes, but remember to wear eye protection. I don't know where I put my clear glasses, so I'm gonna use this to protect my eyes. So when you're making drilling holes, use eye protection. Okay, it's very important. Okay, so I'm gonna use this titanium drill bit to drill the hole, but the hole is not all the way, it has this bump. So in this area we have to make the hole bigger. For that one I'm gonna use this one to make the hole bigger, okay? But this one is also titanium. I'm gonna put the list of all the tools that I used today on the description of the video, so you can see which one I use, okay? Okay, now you can see here the screw is not gonna fit there. So this hole you have to make it bigger. For that one I'm gonna use the other one to make the hole bigger so I can put the screw inside. Okay, you can see it here. Or if you don't wanna make the hole bigger to your car, you can get a longer screw. But for me, I don't have it, so I'm gonna make the hole bigger. And this one too. Okay guys, now you can see that the screw goes all the way inside. One thing, the spoiler doesn't come with the screws from this, so I will have to buy four more of this. So I'm gonna get it from maybe Home Depot or Walmart. Okay guys, these are the screws that I found that it fits the spoiler. So I'm gonna use these screws to put it on, okay? Okay, here you can see the spoiler. Already wrapped it. I still need to do some adjustment because I had to make the hole bigger so I can move it a little bit. But you can get the idea here how it looks. It looks super cool. You can see it, super. So right there you can see this is made for Honda, so I'm gonna put the link so you can see it, but I think it looks alright on the Corolla. Alright. Okay guys, let me know what you guys think about the spoiler. Put in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video. If you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.